Slipped on my shoes before the clock struck 7. Left the door wide open, let the breeze rush in. Streets so quiet, but the sky's already humming. A melody only morning birds begin. I didn't plan it, just felt lighter than before. Like all the weight I carried turned to something I could pour into this brand new hour, clear and unafraid. Today's the day the world turns smiling back. Every step I take leaves yesterday in cracks. Sunlight threads through branches, paints my path in gold, and I'm finally ready. Watch me unfold. Saw the bakery cat stretched beneath the awning. Steam rose from the mantel like a quiet cheer. I waved to no one, but it didn't feel like nothing. Just practice for the joy I'm holding near. No grand confession, no dramatic sign or cue. Just this quiet certainty that something good is due. And I won't miss it, no, not this time. Today's the day the world turns smiling back. Every doubt I held now fades into the track. Wind tugs at my sleeves like it knows my name, and I'm finally ready. Watch me change.